you that how you can create an effective CV for your job interview. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, then click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon, then you will get the notification. So first you have to open your browser. Once your browser is open, then you have to click on the search bar and type europasscv.com. So here's the link. I already searched it, so it is showing on my search bar. So you have to open it. Once the link is open, then you have to click on the option create your CV and cover letter online. So you have to click on that link. So here is the online CV editing library or a portal. So first you have to fill your personal information. Your personal information includes your name, so I'm writing my name over there, and then after my name you have to enter your house address or your street address where you live. Then you have to add your postal code, so I'm adding my postal code. So you have to mention your city name where you live, and you have to mention your country name where you live. So I'm adding my country name. Then you have to add your telephone number, because if you are doing or if you are making a CV for your job interview, then you must have to add your telephone or email. So I'm adding my email. It is very easy trick, so don't hesitate. It is a very easy portal for everyone to create an effective CV. Then you can add a website or instant messaging, and in the additional field you can also add your sex, either it is male or female. I'm adding a male. Then you have to add your date of birth, and you have to add your nationality. So I'm going to adding my nationality, which is Pakistani. So click on the save button. Then you have to click on the type of application, that why you have creating your CV. So you have to select the type of application if you're going for a job interview, or if you're going for any kind of a position in any company, or a preferred job, or studies applied for, or a personal statement. So I can add my personal statement that Naveed Abdullah has recently completed his masters from dash 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 university. So I am saving it. Then you have to click on the work experience. So you have your add your past job related experience. So it started from your date, that when you enter into the job. So I'm adding the date 3rd of January 2018, and the closing date of job is 2nd of March 2019. So after that you have to mention your position in a company where you job for 1 year. So I'm adding an occupation as an accountant. So after that you have to mention the company name and the company city and the company where the company is located. You have to mention the country name. After that you have to add your main activity or responsibility that you have done in your job. So you click on the save button. Then you have to go to your education. You have to fill that. If you are more than one job, more than one experience, then you have to add another one in that field. So after that you have to add your education or training. So click on the fill button, and you have to add your education. So education starts from dates. So you have to add your degree, starting date of your degree. So I'm adding 4th of January 2016, and the ending date of my degree is 4th of March 2018. Or if you are ongoing study, then you click on the ongoing option. Then you have to mention the degree name, that in which field you have done your degree. So after that you have to mention the institute, college, or a university name where you have been graduated. So after that you have to mention the city name where the university is located, and also you have to add the country name, and also after that you have to add your main subjects. So click on the save button. After that you have to add your personal skills. So your personal skills include mother tongue, it can be Urdu, English, Persian, anyone. So if you have any kind of foreign language experience, then you have to add this. And if you have any kind of communication skill, then you also have it. have to mention it, and if you have any kind of organizational or managerial skill, then you also have to add that in it. And if you have any kind of a job related skill, then you have to add it, and also a digital skills. So after that, if you look on the right side of the screen, there is option of additional fields. So first option is photo, so you can add your picture on your CV. After that, there is option of other skills, that if you kind of any other skills which is related to that job, then you can add it. After that, if you have a driving license, then you can add this into your CV that you have a driving license or you don't have a driving license. After that, you can add additional information. Additional information includes your certification, citations, conferences, courses, honors and awards, and blah blah blah, and click on the save button. And you can easily attach your any kind of a document also with your CV. So after the completing all the information regarding your CV, then you have to save in your personal computer or laptop. If you want to change the format of that CV, then you can easily change the format. If you want a PDF file, then you click on the PDF format. If you want a Microsoft Word form file, then you click on the Microsoft Word format, or Open Document or Europass XML. Then click on the download button. Then here you see on the left side of my screen, my file is downloading. So here is a very simple technique to create an effective CV for your job. So if you like my video, then click on the subscribe button and click on the like button, and also press the bell icon, then you will never miss any notification or any videos from my channel.